is his knee up and into your butt? If it's not, you can normally knock him over. So a lot of guys, normally if he stacks, he'll grab his hand. Yeah. So what you do is stick your arm through. If his big part of this is his knee up and into your butt. If it's not, you can normally knock him over. So a lot of guys stack, let's say he stacks and his knee's not up yet. You knock him over, okay? If he stacks and his leg's up, sometimes if his leg's up and it's close to your butt, it's really hard to knock him over. So what you end up having to do is, this is hard to drill because the partner has to have real good base, because otherwise you would have knocked him over. Does that make sense? So normally this knocks him over, but I will go under the leg and through, and then you armbar him on the opposite side. But what happens is, a lot of times if you try to drill that, the guy falls prior to you getting underneath him, and then you just armbar him the other way anyways. You know what I mean? Yeah. So one more problem with, let's say he stacks you and you don't have his leg up. He's a big dude and he stacks you. If I go here and I push him back and he pushes into me, he's probably not going to fall. You see how I'm trying to shove him back? Yeah. I pull my head to my knee and both my feet face this way. And then I knock him over that way. That's how you get him over. Then you armbar him and you punch him like a boss. All right, let's work this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.